Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Drive and Find. Today we're embarking on a thrilling journey from Sharjah to Fujairah. Known for its stunning, scenic and mountain views, imagine it today in this rainy weather. I can't wait to get there. Although it's raining cats and dogs here in Sharjah, but that's not stopping us today, as we're hitting the road towards Fujairah today. So let's go! You can see the amount of water on these roads that indicate how heavily it's raining. Some people's cars have also stopped functioning on the main road and they have to call the police for rescue. Here we are passing by the Sharjah Mosque, so I thought I'd capture that for you. The rain is relentless, but it adds a whole new dimension to our adventure. The roads are slippery, but we are taking it slow and steady and enjoying every moment of this rainy drive. And just when we thought today's rainy day couldn't get any more magical, we stumbled upon this breathtaking waterfall in the heart of the mountains created due to the rain. The sound of water crashing down the mountains is so soothing, it's just like music to the ears. And if you live in the UAE, you would know that catching a waterfall in the mountains here is very rare. So I'm glad we got a chance to see it today. As we head deeper into the mountains, the rain only intensifies, creating a mesmerizing atmosphere. The fresh mountain air and the sound of raindrops falling on the leaves create a serene ambience unlike any other. Wow, look at that view. Due to the rain and clouds, the beauty of Fujairah is enhanced. Just look at how lush green these mountains have become due to the rain. It's so pleasing to the eye. And we're almost about to arrive at our destination. Here we have finally arrived at our destination. Here there are these sort of huts where you can enjoy the rain, soak in the view, do some barbecue or get yourself food from home, bring it here and eat. Another important thing is that they have washrooms here as well. Truly breathtaking moments like these that remind us of the awe-inspiring power of the nature. I'll anyways leave the location of this place in the description down below for any of you that wants to visit here. And now the rain has slowed down to a drizzling point, so we can sit here and enjoy. Anyways, thank you for joining me on this rainy day journey from Sharjah to Fujairah. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more adventures like this. Until next time, stay dry and keep exploring.